in 7 days on Nelly's TV. My name is Linda. First, the headlines. Climate change fuels violence and mass displacement in Cameroon. London climate will be as warm as Barcelona by 2050, according to new study. NASA to launch 4 Earth science missions in 2022. Thwaites, Antarctic glacier heading for dramatic change. Arctic heat record compared to the Mediterranean. Now the news in detail. An intercommunal fighting has started in northern Cameroon, forcing tens of thousands of people to flee their homes. According to UN Refugee Agency UNHCR spokesperson Boris Cheskov, the development is just the latest episode in the difficult relationship between the region's headers, fishermen and farmers, who have seen the waters and tributaries of Lake Chad shrink dramatically because of climate change-induced drought. Clashes has broken out in recent days in the village of Ulomsa following the dispute over dwindling water resources. The violence has spread to neighboring villages, leaving 10 villages burned to the ground. The renewed intercommunal clashes that erupted in the week in Cameroon's far north region has displaced thousands inside the country and forcing more than 30,000 people to flee to the neighboring Chad. According to Mr. Cheskov, since Sunday 5th December, at least 22 people have been killed and 30 others seriously injured during the several days of ongoing fighting. The report noted that 8 in 10 of the new arrivals to Chad bank of the Lagoon River were women, and whom are pregnant, and children. Chad hospitality towards the new arrivals have been greatly commended as it serves as home to close to 1 million refugees and internally displaced people. By 2050, London's climate could be facing severe drought, as Barcelona did in 2008 when it nearly ran out of drinking water and reservoirs ran close to dry. This is according to a new climate change study by the Crowther Lab at Zurich University. The new study predicted the future climate conditions of 520 major cities worldwide and paired these predictions with the conditions of the cities today. Hundreds of other major cities worldwide will be facing droughts, flooding, storms, and other climate catastrophes. According to the report, by 2050, Madrid will feel more like Marrakesh, Seattle will feel like San Francisco, and New York will feel like Virginia Beach. An estimated 77% of cities around the world will see their climate conditions drastically change, indicating the global scale of this climate change threat and associated risks to human health. NASA will launch 4 Earth science missions in 2022 to provide scientists with more information about fundamental climate systems and processes, including extreme storms, surface water and ocean, and atmospheric dust. Scientists will discuss the upcoming missions at the American Geophysical Union 2021 fall meeting hosted in New Orleans between December 13th and December 17th. NASA's fleet of Earth-observing satellites will provide high-quality data on Earth's interconnected environment from air to sea ice. You are watching Our World in 7 Days on Nelly's TV. When we come back, Thwaites, Atlantic glacier heading for dramatic change. Arctic heat record compared to the Mediterranean. Stay tuned.
Together, we can do anything.
back to our world in 7 days on Nelly's TV. Scientists have revealed that there could be dramatic changes at one of the biggest glaciers in Antarctic, potentially within the next 5 to 10 years. US and UK researchers are currently in an intense study program at Thwaites because of its melt rate. Already, it is dumping 50 billion tons of ice into the ocean each year. This is having limited impact on global sea levels currently, but there is sufficient ice held up upstream in the glacier's drainage basin to raise the height of the oceans by 65 centimeters, were it all to melt. Such a doomsday scenario is unlikely to come about for many centuries, but the study team says Thwaites is now responding to a warming world in a really quite rapid ways. A glaciologist with the study team and US-led coordinator for the International Thwaites Glacier Collaboration, Professor Thwaites states that there is going to be a dramatic change in the front of the glacier, probably in less than a decade. The Arctic has recorded its highest temperature ever, 38 degrees Celsius, sounding alarm bells over Earth's changing climate. The World Meteorological Organization on December 14, 2021, verified the record reported in the Siberian town of Vyaznik on June 20, 2020. The temperature was 18 degrees Celsius higher than the area's already average daily maximum for June. The UN agency said the extreme heat was more befitting to the Mediterranean than the Arctic, and it is the first time the agency has included the Arctic Circle in its archive of extreme weather reports. The World Meteorological Organization further revealed that the 38 degrees Celsius temperature was measured at the meteorological station during an exceptional and prolonged Siberian heat wave. It will be recalled that the 2020's extreme heat in the region contributed to the spread of wildfires, which swept across the forests and peatlands of northern Russia, releasing record amounts of carbon. While relatively common in summer months, high temperature and strong winds made the fire unusually severe. According to the agency, the high temperature across the Siberian led to the massive sea ice loss and played a major role in 2020 being one of the 3 warmest years on the record. Thank you for watching. My name is Linda for our World in 7 Days on Nelly's TV. I hope you find this interesting, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next week.